to send from Tonkeeper to KuCoin. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send from your Tonkeeper to your KuCoin account. So first of all, just open your KuCoin account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged into your KuCoin account, just simply click on the deposit section from the home screen itself. And after that, under the crypto section, just click on search coin that you would want to deposit. So just simply search for Ton right here and click on the Ton right there. And after that, in order to copy your Ton coin address or the memo tag, in order to make the deposit happen from your Tonkeeper account to your KuCoin account, you need to first go ahead and verify your KuCoin account if you haven't already. As you can see that I haven't verified my KuCoin account as of now. Just simply go ahead and verify that, and once you complete the verification in your KuCoin account, you will be able to see your Toncoin address and memo tag. And once you get the address and the memo tag, just simply copy your address and the memo tag from your KuCoin account, and after that just simply open your Tonkeeper account. And once you're there in your Tonkeeper account, just make sure that you have some balance in your Tonkeeper account in order to make the transfer happen. And once you have some balance, just simply click on send from the home screen itself. And after that, just simply paste the address in the address or name section that you have just copied from your KuCoin account. And after that, you can also add a simple comment right there if you want to. And once you're done, just simply click on continue. And on the next page, just select the amount of Tonkeeper or coin that you would want to add into your KuCoin account. And after that, just simply click on continue. And this way you will be able to send it. So this is basically how you will be able to send from Tonkeeper to KuCoin. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.